But I could not hear the last part, my lord. It was fixed on 16th.
এটা 16th রাখলাম তো 16th under the same heading.
My lord, great.
Yes, she has given an your counterpart has given an undertaking, of course, on instruction that
My
will
lord,
comply in the meantime.
grateful, lordship. Deeply obliged.
Is it okay? Within that period, you will comply. Very good.
Deeply obliged.
Well, for violation of the court's order dated 5th September 2023, when your lordship was kind enough to issue a contempt rule on 17th September this year. Your lordship
Give me a second, sir.
Yes.
Do you know what is the fate of the appeal, sir?
Nothing. It has not been listed as yet. It has not been. Undertaking was given and the submission was made. They will comply the court's order. And your lordship, my lord, adjourn the matter even after issuance of the contempt rule. Contempt rule was issued on 17th. Your lordship, kindly have a look. Page 17th, your lordship was pleased to pass on order. In view of such, let a rule be issued against the alleged contemptor, which is returnable on September 30th.
But rule has been drawn, but
drawn.
it is not.
Yes. Then immediately thereafter, they, my lord, mentioned the matter, and 24th September 2024, the matter was taken up for consideration. As requested by the learned advocate, petitioner leave is granted to correct the culture. At this stage, learned advocate for the alleged contemptor submits before the court that challenging the order and judgment passed in such and such as already prepared. The copy of the memorandum of appeal as well as the copy of the has already been served upon the learned advocate. Petitioner responded. Learned advocate, the alleged contemptor thus prayed for a stay of the operation of the order dated such for some time. In view of the fact, puja vacation is ensuing, let the operation of the order of the court on 17th be remain a stay till 4 weeks after the reopening of this court. After the ensuing, let the matter be listed on such. In the event alleged contemptor failed to bring an order of a stay, the appeal court, this order dated 17th now will be revived, a contempt rule will be signed and issued by the notice. So, well, till date, no steps, nothing has been, it has not been included even in the list. To show your lordships kindly issue the rule, or my lord, let it be the order dated 17th September be revived. Let them come, otherwise they will. But the order was passed on 5th September 2023.
What is my order?
Yes. Well, page 37 it starts. Page 48 is the operation, the operative part of the order. Page 48, if your lordship in the contempt petition, is the longest order. Your lordship said it was considered each and every judgment and order. And lastly, my lord, the para 24 onwards, in view of the aperture dictum of the Honorable Apex Court, in SLP and Division Bench of the High Court in such and such has got no hesitation to hold. The case of the prisoner are similar to the facts and circumstances involved in the aforementioned two judgments of the Honorable Apex Court, as well as Honorable Division Bench of the High Court at Calcutta. Thus, in order to maintain judicial decorum and parity, keeping in mind of the facts and circumstances involved with the case discussed supra, this court holds the writ petitioners are entitled to get approval of their appointment as organizing, teaching, and non-teaching staff of the aforementioned madrasa with effect from the date of upgradation, that is such and such, with the 30th January 2000. In view of such, the respondent number 3, 5, 6, 7 are hereby directed to approve the appointment of the writ petitioner as organizing, teaching, and non-teaching.
I'm keeping it passable for some time.
Well, may I suggest one thing? Your passover, it will be problem from other matters are there.
May I fix it another date?
No question of fixing. If your lordships kindly have a look to the order dated once again, 24th September.
No, I have seen, sir.
24th September. So, show my lord, let it be revived.
I can issue the rule, but I want it may be.
If they are in the first, in the contempt.
The junior is here, no?
Yes.
In the event they fail to bring the, let me hear them. I shall give an opportunity.
If they don't come, your lordships kindly revive this order. I do not know whether they will be.
এটা কত নম্বর item চলছে? Passover till
12.
1 p.m.
Very well. If they come within 1 p.m., very well, no problem. Otherwise, your lordships will put you to lordships.
It's a court of equity, sir. Anyway,
No, my lord,
for
it's
some
order
reason,
about it.
and I
My lord,
believe.
we are not on the mercy of the contempt.
No, sir.
Your lordships passed a mandatory order. Today.
I just informed that the resolution was passed from 10:30.
Listen,
Members of the executive committee.
which is why I'm a little bit reluctant not to pass adverse order.
No, not to add. Not to add.
Listen, as otherwise it would be. Listen,
No,
There in the meeting.
which is why I'm.
Just state that resolution has been passed, taken, but
not circulated as yet. Not yet circulated.
I was in the meeting.
Otherwise,
Otherwise it would be.
no. Otherwise, I could not have appeared.
I'm a court of equity also. No,
I
sir.
was in the meeting and the members of the executive committee, they are on the process of intimating.
Ah. So
No, very well.
in the event a resolution come, I shall act accordingly. Otherwise, it will be stand over to the next date. Yes. Let me reach, sir. Let me reach. Call the next matter. Very good. Call the next matter.
now I have heard
Ah,
the resolution from to again. So what should we? And my lord, appeal has been filed by the respondent, and state petition has also been filed, and a copy has been served on me. But those.
matter has been listed.
Has not been listed.
Listed
No, not listed.
before which court, madam?
Court number 11,
Presided over by
by Justice Chakraborty and Justice Parthasarathi Chatterjee. The petition has not been listed.
Ashwin. It is submitted on behalf of the alleged contemners that challenging the judgment and order dated who is appearing? এটা IPL 6 এটা কিসের জন্য রয়েছে? কন্টেম্পট নাকি এটা কন্টেম্পটারি অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ওকে Own application can 1 or can 2. Thank you. Who is appearing on behalf of the petitioner? লিখুন next.
Item 7, I am for the petitioner, my lord. This is an application for substitution of the legal heirs of the writ petitioner. On the last occasion when the matter was taken up by my lordship on the 21st of November 2024, the CAN application that was not tagged with the file. My lordship had directed the tagging of the CAN application and also directed me to serve notice on the learned advocate for the state respondents. I have served the notice, my lord, intimating them that the matter would be listed.
Wait, can has been not been tagged. Pass over. লিখে রাখুন on behalf of the non appears on behalf of the petitioner, on behalf of the respondent, an accommodation has been sought for. An accommodation has been sought for this day only. Stop prayer for
Lordship, this matter I am for the petition. I am ready, but today is the unfortunate Lordship situation that bar has taken a resolution.
Yes, I am told.
So Lordship, kindly take this matter tomorrow, Lordship.
It will go under the heading repetition.
Writ petition, Lordship, that your Lordships has fixed, given a last chance
No, it is listed today under the heading for dismissal.
for dismissal, Lordship. The last occasion,
Who is your other side?
Lordship, notice everything has been served. There is a direction for, this is the notice. This is affidavit of service.
Sir, when you have served,
So there is a notice. So immediately after passing the order of effecting service, I have served. Matter relating to higher scale of.
is there any private respondent?
No. State.
Only state respondent.
Pay scale. This is a benefit of pay scale.
The petitioner is represented today.
Notice দেবে না, সুমন দেখে আসছে। Let the affidavit service be kept.
Mr. Rai, you are appearing in which matter?
Malad, item number 10, Malad.
10.
Lordship, let this affidavit service kept.
এই affidavit of service taken on record for.
Get for.
Mr. Rai is appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
Malad, I am for the petitioner, Malad. Malad, this was fixed earlier, but Malad, I think if it could stand over after the vacation, because it will take time. And Mr. Tilak Bose is appearing on the other side, Malad. So, Malad, I was just requesting your Lordship, if your Lordship can keep it.
Very good. On behalf of the bar, an accommodation has been sought for.
Malad is keeping it, Malad.
January 6th, 6th January.
But could it be on the 7th, Malad? 6th is a Monday, if your Lordship, can you keep it on 7th, Malad?
Very good. Kirilam. On January 7, 2024, under the same heading.
Very grateful, Malad. Very grateful.
it is made clear. Well, it is made clear. Learned advocates for the parties are requested not to embarrass this court by seeking an accommodation on the adjourned date.
Well, and
Yes.
we'll try and get the notes also for your lordship's
Yeah,
convenience.
yeah.
Grateful, my lord.
Call the next matter.
My lord,
Item number 11.
both sides are appearing. My lord, we have consented to a date, my lord, maybe taken up on that date, because today in this predicament, Mr. Chakraborty is also appearing from the bar, which is not when
No, if you are willing, I can take.
my lord, there is some
Very good. On consent of both the parties. The petitioner is not represented. Very good. You will do the case. Make some alternative arrangement. কমিউনিকেশনটা হলো কিনা একবার দেখে নি। হ্যাঁ, না আমাদের কাছে তো কমিউনিকেশনটা
I am in item number 14, my lord. Well, I'm your lordship is not audible.
are you confirming?
My,
There is
Yes,
a
my lord.
resolution of the bar.
there is a resolution, my lord.
Very good. Call the next item.
My lord, in item 14,
13 or 14? Wait, this is 13.
Lordship, item 13. Mr. Anand Kumar Shaw is appearing for the petitioner, Lordship. Since it's an old matter, I've been instructed, Lordship, kindly keep it tomorrow or Monday, Lordship.
Ashun, on behalf of the petitioner, an accommodation has been sought.
পরে বন্ধ করেছে আমরা।
Next, 14.
My lord, this matter, I am appealing for the petitioner, but it is very peculiar because there is a resolution I should not appear, my lord.
Very good.
My lord, but this matter was actually directed to appear at 2 p.m., my lord. Your lordship, kindly see the note sheet dated 21st November. It was fixed at 2 p.m. So let it be taken up tomorrow at 2 p.m.
আসুন at 2 p.m. under the heading special ethics matter. এটা নোট করে রাখো করলেন কালকে 2 p.m. এ special ethics matter.
Deeply obliged, my lord. Okay.
Next.
My lord, 15 and 16, my lord. This is that writ petition of statesman, my lord. There was a substitution and there were subsequently directions for filing of affidavits. Lordship, may I kindly take up the last order, Lordship. What has happened is we have filed the writ petition. Now they are proceeding in execution. Lordship was also.
Why CRR?
CRR, I will say. They are proceeding in execution. Now they have also filed an application for expeditious disposal of the revision of the execution proceeding. Lordship, may kindly take up page 2 of the last order dated 21st 11 2024, 21st November 2024. Lordship, may kindly take up paragraph 5. This, Lordship, may kindly see at this stage, learned advocate of the writ petitioner submit before this honorable court that the contesting respondents are not proceeding. Lordship, my submission was that they were proceeding in execution, which they denied.
Difficulty, who is for the respondent then?
Respondents, Lordship, on the previous occasion, Anirban Kaur and Munshi Ashik Ilai, they
Believe there is on account of resolution.
Yes, but
what type of execution?
Lordship, this emanates from a labor dispute.
Hmm.
These what had happened, they had carried a murderous assault in the management on the management and also ransacked the office of Statesman's house. Thereafter, we filed an application under the Industrial Disputes Act for termination, and we gave them a check of 1 month, which is mandated under the statute. Thereafter, what had happened? An award was passed against the company, giving them back wages and retrenchment. Challenging that order, we came up before the Honorable High Court, and that writ is before my lord. And what happens once the award is passed by the Labour Tribunal, it goes before the Labour Commissioner. And once the Labour Commissioner, because that's a process, Labour Commissioner simply agrees to the Labour Tribunal without any new finding and sends it for execution.
Then execution is for
before the
payment of the award.
Yes, of the awarded amount along with interest.
And what is CRR for?
CRR for now what they are doing? They are
482.
Yes, 482 for expeditious disposal of the execution. So they are playing in both hands. Here I have challenged the main.
CRR means the criminal revision.
Yes, for expeditious, my lord. Civil revision also we file. Sometimes we challenge the impugned order, and sometimes it is for expeditious disposal.
Give me a second.
Yes, my lord. My lord, may I kindly take up this CRR order also, which is there of 4th November 2024. Page number 2, the penultimate paragraph, it reads, considering the
just a minute, sir.
My lord, I'm so sorry.
Yes.
Yes. So, my lord, in CRR, my lord may kindly take up the only order which was passed on 4th November 2024. Page 2, the penultimate paragraph. Considering the relief spread in writ petition which is before my lord is connected to the dispute in present case, both the matters may be heard by the bench taking. That is why it has been specially assigned. Honestly,
Item number 15 and 16 করুন।
can be taken down.
Which one?
Lordship, paragraph 5,
দেখি।
because that is creating problem because the next date is on 20th, my lord. Because on the last occasion also I submitted that they are proceeding in execution. They said that we are not proceeding in execution. Lordship,
No. Then it will not be taken up tomorrow.
Lordship, only that correction, Lordship. Because it was
Yes,
a typographical error which has crept in into that order. Lordship may kindly take up. Lordship may kindly take up paragraph 5 on page 2. Lordship, it reads, It reads, Lordship, I will just state, at this stage, learned advocate for the writ petitioner submits that this court, that the contesting respondents are not proceeding with the execution. I said that contesting respondents are proceeding with the execution, which they denied.
At this stage, learned
Different work method.
item number 91 is very difficult to trace out right now because it is at the bottom of the file, no?
If it can be tagged together, my lord.
No, it cannot be done. Mention tomorrow.
Oh, I'm grateful.
এই item number 91 টা না একটু বার করে রাখবে তো, নোট করে রাখবে।
Note করে রাখুন, তাহলে। I'm grateful, my lord. That is it. I'm grateful.
Next. Your lordship was pleased to direct to the petitioner to serve notice upon the respondent. Serve notice? Yes. Yes. দেখি বললেন অ্যালার্ট থাকো, ঘুমোলে হবে? বলে আমায় গিয়ে নিয়ে আসতে হবে নাকি? The receipted copy of the notice Only for this day, adjourn only for this day. Yes, both sides are present.
Well, item number 2, my lords, I lead by Mr. Nayak, my lord.
Item number? You both of you are ready?
Mr. Nayak is lead.
Mr. Srijan Nayak, appearing for the petitioner, concluded the submission. I am appearing, my lord, presenting. I submit.
No, I'm ready and willing to take, but.
It's one resolution.
Mr. Nayak is.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Very good.
Like, can it be taken-
As per request made at
Monday. But Friday for the
23rd at করে দাও একটু না করে লেখো 23 তারিখ 23rd December হ্যাঁ next
My Lord, Advocate Bikash Goswami is appearing for the petitioners. He is engaged in court number 5, paying for a short passover. In this matter, I am appealing for visiting court.
you will give it Passover or you will
Tomorrow, I have some difficulty, Lordship, and we'll get the matter cleared.
when
Friday. Lordship, court partners.
very good as per request
I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. It's practically a ready matter.
who is the other side
Lord, your Lordship directed me to intimate, as because the Lord earlier date, the Lordship directed me to intimate other side. I have intimated them.
give the notice why is the notice sir
Yes. So, evidence of service on 21st of 11, 2024, the Lordship direction that the matter will appear and intimate the other side. Because the matter.
the resolution of the bar
Yes, my lord.
very good I am not passing any adverse order but if the lawyers appear I cannot restrain them
Well, both parties are not paid.
no I am not making any pass
No participation. No participation. But only.
but your members are participating
All right, আমার কোনো আপত্তি as the resolution of the bar has
if the
already-
lawyers participate I cannot restrain them no
as because my lord,
Because there will be no court. So
I inform other court. There is no question of heroism.
naturally, my lord has nothing. Your lordship nothing to do.
Yes.
Your lordship take up, but only one thing may submitted me, lord. Only one thing. No, only one thing I'm submitting only one thing. That instead of 10:30 me lord the matter. No, instead of 10:30 me lord,
Plus the matter may be fixed at 2 p.m. as because due to my not today, not today. But any day at 2 p.m. because due to my
দিদি আজকে আর না না ওটা তো অর্ডার হয়ে যাবে
My lord, kindly fix this matter after 2 p.m.
No, 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 no.
Matlab 41, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Well, this is a very old matter, my lord. We are suffering, my lord. If it can be fixed anytime by your lordship, my lord, subject to your lordship's convenience, my lord.
But
Item
the
41.
representative of the bar is saying that nobody is participating.
My lord, yes, there is a resolution. My lord, I am
Then
pleased. My lord,
make your submission tomorrow.
I am great.
Go on calling.
Lordship,
সুব্রত রায় bar আছে room number 14. He is practicing criminal court. 58 plus.